Hello everyone. Today in this video you are going to learn how to find equipment installed at functional location. We can find out equipment installed at functional location using SAP transaction code IH01. Functional location structure selection. First of all, we should know what is functional location. Functional location is a place where maintenance activity is performed. Functional location is an area where equipment can be installed. This is the display of IH01. In this display, we have to write here the functional location and the date, and then we have to select these few parameters and make sure that equipment installed is selected. And once we have completed the prerequisites, we are going to press the execute button or use F8 as a shortcut key. But if we don't know the functional location, then in this functional location tab, in this block, we can press here F4. And into the next screen, in this functional location field, we have to press enter. As a result, all the functional locations which are there in SAP will be listed down. And whichever functional location we are going to select, it will come onto this screen. And then once we press the execute button, all the equipments that are installed in this particular functional location will be displayed. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.